Hello everyone, I am here to talk about the HomeJoy sleeping pad. This one is an ultralight mat that you can use both on the sea and the land. But what makes it incredible? It is an incredible product because you don't need to bring with you any pump. You simply put your feet on it and start inflating. I personally love to use it on the beach, and ever since I tried it, it has become my favorite beach accessory. But on the other side, I'm also sure that people that enjoy activities like camping will also love the comfort of this sleeping pad. Whatever kind of person you might be at the end, I'm sure this perfect pad will fit your needs 100%.
Hi, I'm Taylor with the Coleman Company, and here at Coleman, we make a variety of sleeping bags that will keep you comfortable in any season. You can stay warm in weather that's below zero, and you can stay comfortable in weather up to 70 degrees. They come in a variety of styles, from the rectangle, the hybrid, and the mummy. Our innovations make camping a whole lot easier, like the Zip Plow No Snag Zipper. And with some of our sleeping bags, you can zip 2 light bags together for extra room. Our roll control system keeps your bag straight and even when rolling it up. We have a variety of sleeping bags for a great night's sleep in any season. We'll see you outside.